Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to go over Gala. So Gala right now is trading at 0.05073 on the weekly time frame. There is a lot here to kind of uncover, but taking a look at the glance here, I don't know if you guys see or watched my Ethereum Classic video, but essentially it kind of looks like Ethereum Classic where the price itself was consolidating for a couple of weeks here until it finally broke out. And then essentially we see another golden opportunity here with a golden crossover. So again, this is an opportunity that we may see unfold possibly next week, where we see a lower moving average cross above a higher moving average. And that signals a long term, or depending on what time frame you are, that bullish sentiment, opposed to that bearish where we saw that crossover of the shorter moving average below a higher moving average. So we may actually see that golden cross unravel in the next couple of days, going again into next week itself. And when we do see that, the price itself for Gala may shoot up to 0.060. We do see a few indicators here, especially when we take a look at our RSI. The RSI here is at 82%, suggesting overbought territory. In the lower time frames, we may see that pullback essentially happen here. Now, when we take a look at our MACD indicator, same thing as Ethereum Classic here, where we see these histograms essentially get bigger in the size, but most importantly, the darker the color as well. So we're seeing consistent week after week the growth of Gala, but most importantly, our MACD indicator line is above our signal line. And that does show that long-term momentum of the bulls in terms of this trend itself. So we are riding this bull trend. If we take a look at the monthly time frame, we do see that this is a crucial area, because we're at our 20 moving average, depending on where the price closes up or closes below, is essential to the current trend. And we can see Gala has been quite a bear market all the way, since that break, but I don't even see it here. But honestly, like, this is a very critical area here for a monthly time frame, because if we're able to close above the 20 MA, then we may see multiple retest of several different resistance line, especially around the 61% of our fib at 0.060. And again, on our weekly time frame, that's essentially what may happen if we see this golden cross play out. Now, going into the daily time frame here, we have seen Gala kind of in this upward channel where we're coming down to an area of support, resistance support, continuously making a lot of higher highs and a lot of lower highs as well. So we are seeing very positive bullish momentum even going into the daily time frame. Now, we may see the price come down to an area of support around the 78% of our fib at 0.045, just because we are considered as overbought here. There may be some people that are profiting and taking profits from the recent high at 0.054. So we may see that going into this next day itself. However, the momentum for our MACD indicator is still going strong here day after day after day. Since November 7th, we have seen very bullish momentum from that recent channel, and of course from breaking above our 20 MA. So again, very bullish sentiment that we are seeing. If we're able to maintain this bullish nature, then our next target is going to be that 0.06. Now, going into the immediate short term here for 4 hours, we have seen the price kind of consolidate, and that's very, very natural, especially coming up to an area of resistance. We can see that the price consolidated here after that recent break, and then here we see this break above that previous resistance. So we are most likely going to see the price kind of hover between our two Fibonacci levels around 0.054 down to the 78% of our fib at 0.048. So in short-term outlook for Gala itself, it does suggest a potential pullback, being overbought conditions in multiple time frames. So we may see that pullback coming down to an area of support. However, we may retest this area of resistance so long as we can see positive gains in terms of our volume day after day. We may see that break above that resistance level. But let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today, and hopefully I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.